Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you the location of the lifting or jacking points. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so right now I'm on the front left side, the driver's side, and I will show you under the vehicle. So this is the reinforced area right here, and this is where you will leave the vehicle, and it will be the same on the passenger side as well. And now I will show you on the rear end as well. It's gonna be the same thing. You see there is this reinforced area right here, and this is designed to lift up the vehicle, and it will be the same on both sides, driver and the passenger. It's very easy to notice it. Spare tire and the tool kit is in the trunk area. Just leave this bottom cover and you'll find it right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.